Alright y'all, first I want to start out by giving you all a thank you that watched the videos. Appreciate y'all support big time. Well, yep, we're gonna get started. With big pieces like this, I always start out with the 15 curve mag. And lately I've been having flat mags, but I just started getting my curved mags back in because them curved mags definitely give you that softer shading. But you will get used to flat mags if you do happen to use flat mags. And for those that don't know, for them darker cheetah prints, the black, I definitely use that solid black. You want to make sure that those pop out, but I don't outline them real hard because you don't want it to look like an outline. You want them to be soft and blend in like a pattern. Then I come back with like a light medium tone. See how I shaded the inside in, so once it heals, you'll see that cheetah print black on the outside, and you'll see those light soft tones in the inside. But I also added some shade in the back to give it a little direction. Alright, and for some of those smaller cheetah prints, I definitely had to take out that 7 curve mag, not to get it really sharp, but just to also get it nice within that size. That 15 is way too big to get something that small. And I also still try to capture some of those hairs within the cheetah print, because you know a cheetah has hair, so naturally try to capture that texture and not be so flat and bold. Alright, once we made our way to the cover up, I definitely used a lot of that 7 curve mag because you definitely want to create a lot of texture. That texture is what's going to camouflage the old tattoo underneath. Now mind you, sometimes it have to be a little bit dark to get it to really cover it, but that texture is what's going to help you. I didn't just go straight and color in black. I know back then I did it, many people have done it. You just go with that straight black and then you try to go with a color on top. No, use your textures to hide the old tattoo. And as you see, as we move towards the top of the tattoo, I started getting a little bit lighter but I still put those darks where they needed to be. I didn't want the whole thing to be super dark, but I also wanted to be balanced with that cover up part. So that's where those shadows fall at, more at the bottom. Deep in the inner part of the flower, those are blacks. But at those parts where I don't got no cover up, where they ain't got no cover up, I definitely try to use a medium light tone to where that stands out once it heals. And when doing this music note, stuff like that, I just start out with a 7 curve mag. Learn to just block the whole thing in. Still, I ain't working double time. I block it in by being that size, and then I always come back with like a 7 round line or something like that, and just outline it, tighten it up, clean it up. Because I already know in the beginning, you always catch yourself outlining, shading it in, then coming back, tighten it up. So that's like 3 steps versus shading it in and tighten it up within those 2 steps. Alright y'all, and I took on these cheetah prints the same way, but most of them small ones, like I said, 7 curve mag. And that 15 curve mag is what I was doing, that little wind flow at the top, blending that in with a light medium tone. Because you want them cheetah prints and stuff to pop out, but you also want some in the background to bring it together as a whole, bring it together. And those swirls that I'm working on right now, I just try to create as much negative space just to give it some more direction so it ain't all just packed and full and dark. When doing cover-ups, you definitely got to try to take as much opportunity, take as much advantage as you can by leaving those skin breaks and letting that breathe, letting the tattoo breathe. Because if it's all dark, you're not going to really see it at the end of the day. So keep it open, let it breathe, and it'll pop out once it heals. Thanks for watching. Hope y'all have a great day. And as always, I appreciate you all's support.